Hey, hello everyone. Thank you, everyone, those who have joined this live. Glad to see so many people are here with me. Hi, 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 hi. So many people are here. Hi, Vaibhav. Hi, Aishwarya. Hi, Prashant. Prashanjit. Okay, Prashanjit. Hi, Pragya. Great to see. Namaste, bhai. Sanjay. Are you all able to hear me? People on LinkedIn, give a thumbs up. People on YouTube, अगर आप हो तो आपको पता ही होगा क्या करना है. You just have to say hi. If you are able to hear and see me, yes, started. Thank you. Meeting on. Yes, Aishwarya, meeting is on. We have started. Okay, people on LinkedIn, are you all good? कैसे हो सब? Rahul Singh Bhadoria, great. Bhai, great. People on LinkedIn, so much love. Hi. So, very warm welcome to this session, right? And definitely, I believe you all will be able to understand like what exactly from this session we will be taking in, right? So many people are with me, and one important thing to you all, I will be sharing my resume. Okay, I will be sharing in this session my resume, where it has taken me to the companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Walmart. You all know I'm currently with Walmart, right? So that resume I'll be sharing in this session, right? So accordingly, you should be able to understand what you need to do, right, in order to achieve that kind of area, right, where your resume is getting shortlisted in every other company, right? Being an SRE DevOps engineer, you should be able to understand what you need to do different in your resume so that your resume is getting selected, right? Yes. Are you able to understand? Yes. Great. Okay. Great. Nice to see you all. Really good to see everyone, those who are with me, right? And yes, clearly audible. So, how are you all? Are you all good with this thing? Yes. People on YouTube, are you all good? Yes. Great. Good to see you all. Right. So, are you understanding the agenda? I'll be sharing my resume. I'll be telling what exactly your issues with your resume is. And hope you all know where I'm currently working. Right. You all know. Yes, I'm working with Walmart right now. Right. So, whatever you feel that your questions are, right, your agenda is, will be knowing that. Right. So let me tell you some facts. Let me tell you some interesting things. But before that, let me see what exactly the things are with us, right? So yes, let's see like what exactly the things are. Okay, great. Okay, great. So yes, great, awesome, great, awesome. Now, all of you, it's good to see everyone on this platform. So let me start with few of the introduction, right? Myself, Praveen. Those who don't know, right? And currently, I'm working with Walmart, and you will know soon the things which are going to be landed to everyone, right? And as you all know that we have also started Prime 4.0, right, which is available for everyone, and tomorrow morning we have the first class. You all know that tomorrow morning we have the first class in Prime 4.0, right? I hope you should be knowing, and if you don't know, let me just share my screen and present to you all like what exactly we will be working on that. I'll be sharing few of the things, and after that, just 5 minutes after that, I'll be sharing my resume, right? And then we'll be discussing what errors you are making, what mistakes you are making, right? Great, awesome. Okay, great. So Mohammed, just wait. After this session, I will take you all live. Those who want to talk with me, then we will discuss. Okay, great, awesome, right? So let me tell you all what exactly we are going to do from tomorrow morning, and then we will slowly see like what exactly you have the things with you. So yes, from tomorrow we are actually going to have the Prime 4.0, right? And if you see, this is the Prime 4.0, and if you see, as of now the price is 6499. Earlier the WhatsApp community got at a little bit lower price, and the other people have got at little bit lower price. But today if you are enrolling with me, right? If you are with me in this job ready course, as you all know, I have cracked companies like Walmart, Amazon, your Microsoft, your Airtel, Dun and Bradstreet, Acolyte Digital, SAP, Informatica, Paytm, Airtel, like whatever the companies you know, right, by name, I have cracked. So guys, I am waiting for last 20 people to enroll. So those who are with me, those who are interested to learn from me, from tomorrow morning 9 a.m. to 12 a.m., 3 hour session, right? And in this 3 hour session, you will get projects and theory, right? 2 hours theory and 1 hour plus project you will have. So 12 plus projects we are covering in this class. And if you see, you have to apply this code last 20. So I'll be waiting for 20 people to join me for tomorrow's session if you are interested. And not only this, if I am telling that I'll be sharing my resume, I'll be sharing my resume. And to the next level of things, you should be able to understand that I have cracked many other companies. That will be your surprise for Prime 4.0, right? So those companies, those details I'll be revealing you all, and that will really help you. The raw material, the raw experience I'll be sharing to you all. So if anyone is interested, you can just enroll here for 4799. This is the least price till now we are giving to the people, those who are joining, and 20 people will be with me. There is no coupon code. If you are watching this coupon code last 20, you can apply and get the discount, right? So that was this. And if you come down the next 2 hours, 20 people enrollment we are waiting. If 20 people enrollment is done, we'll be closing this batch enrollments, right? If you want to see the demo, you can click here. If you want to enroll, you can click here. Highest CTC till now 30, 2000 plus learners, 15 LPA and 10 plus tools covered. Whatever the agenda you see, DevOps and SRE fundamentals, tools setup. This is like your system setup and tools installation, this class, Saturday, Sunday, then next week, right? And if you ask me, Praveen, you want doubt clearing session, I'll be adding here. But once you join, you have to tell me in the live class that you need doubts clearing session and I'll be giving that. And if you come down, this is the syllabus of week-wise syllabus. If you see week 1, week 2, week 3, similarly week 4, week 5, week 6, week 7, week 8, and bonus, right? And if you want to talk with any of the students, you can click here, and similarly tools and everything, right? And if you want to see the placements, you can see here and you can enroll accordingly. And if you want to see particularly success stories, there is some success stories given, and you can listen to the students. 400% hike, Walmart success story, some other person is getting in USA job, right? And yes, these are some testimonials from different students you can see. And comments USA, some people are telling how they like the course. Python class this was, right? And if anyone is interested, you can definitely join 4.0, right? This is 4.0, right? So yes, many of the things I have told, right? All the links will be in the description of YouTube. If you have any questions, you can reach out to this chat. I'll be happy to help you and make you understand, right? So are you all good? And any questions? Okay, resume for SRE and DevOps, I'll be showing my resume. So make sure you are having notes and pen with you. So all of you have pen and notes. Whatever I did the mistakes, I'll be covering on my resume, right? And if you have any questions, any doubts, according to that, we'll be understanding that. Clear? Clear, everyone? So tell me, are you all ready with this thing? Shall we go ahead and watch my resume? Yes. Okay, 19 enrollments are left. We are getting enrollments now. If anyone is interested, I can share the link. You can watch from your interest, right? And you can apply the code last 20, right? Last 20 is the code you have to apply. And 19 seats are left for this batch to get complete, right? Those who are interested, you can apply last 20 code, right? As of now, you are not seeing any code on the payment page. You need to apply. Clear? Clear? Yes. Okay, Amit, I will be seeing. Okay, I will be sharing. That is the agenda, right? DevOps and SRE resume. Yes, great. Okay, 19 people have to join. Okay, उसके बाद हम लोग बात करेंगे. चलो, come to the point. Okay, great. Let me share my resume. People are very much eager. So let me be honest with you. My resume is of. Can anyone guess how much page my resume was? I will give some options to you. and that options, I think you should be understanding. Like you have so many notions, right? You have so many thoughts in mind, like okay, whether that is a 5 page, okay, some options agenda for today, I will write it down here. So if you are with me, you should be able to understand like what exactly we will be talking about. So I'll be sharing first. Okay, let me make it big little bit. Okay, first I'll be sharing my resume, right, which got me selected into Amazon, okay, Walmart, Paytm, uh, Airtel, okay, Microsoft. I have not written Microsoft, okay, okay, sorry, Microsoft. What else company I have? Airtel, Microsoft, Paytm, okay, Paytm, SAP, Informatica. Okay, so these all companies, DNB, Dun and Bradstreet. So when I tell any company name, it means I have taken the offer from these companies. Okay, Dun and Bradstreet, Acolyte Digital, okay, and SAP, Informatica, and some of your service-based companies like your Infosys, right? And obviously the Verizon is also there in this case. Infosys, HCL, your TCS, Wipro, right? So all those things I had the offer letter, and similarly more the list is. I don't want to waste time. So second, after my resume is shared, I'll be giving you the hints like what can be better in my resume, what can be better in my resume, okay, which I was not knowing. Like you, I was like maybe some time back I was like you, right? I don't know like how to frame my resume, what things to keep, what things not to keep. So those things I'll be telling, right? And I will not put any slides. Whatever I will be discussing, I'll be discussing on my resume only. Clear, everyone? Are you all clear? Yes, yes. Are you all clear? Yes, no? Give me a thumbs up if you all are clear. People on LinkedIn, if you all are clear, give me a yes. Okay. No, you. I will tell. Are you all clear? Give me a yes. Then I'll be sharing my resume. A quick yes. Screen resolution is not proper. It's 720. I think you have to change your YouTube settings. Okay. Gaurang Panchani. Okay. Shall I share my resume? Give me a yes or a thumbs up or whatever you feel like. Okay. This is good. Okay. Great. People on LinkedIn, very much silent. Okay, people on LinkedIn, silent. Okay, not silent. Akshay Patil, Nandakishore Wagh. Okay, great. Okay, now let me ask you one simple question. What do you think my number of pages of resume will be? My resume total number of pages. What do you think? I will give you MCQ type of questions. This will make sure you are actually coming out of that notion. So 8 pages. Okay, second is 4 pages. Third is 2 pages, and the fourth is 1 page. So what is your option? You select 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to comment down 1, 2, 3, 4, and based on this, I will be taking you to my resume. What is your take on this? Do you think 1, 2, 3? Okay. Who else is telling? What is the option you will go with? All of you. Tell me as 1 if you say 8 pages. Tell me as 2 if you say 4 pages. Tell me as 3 if you say 2 pages. Tell me as 4 if you say 1 page. So what do you think? What do you think? 4? Okay, majority of the people are telling 1 page. And okay, okay, great. Okay, what about others? 133 plus people are watching me. 133 people, 33 plus people are watching me. That's really good. Okay, 2, 4. Okay, let me tell you. Let me reveal that answer to you. Okay, let me close this page here. I will close this. I'll cancel this also. So let me be honest with you. Right. So this is 8-page resume. Okay. So as I have told you, I don't know how to prepare resume. Okay, to be honest. You all understood? Right? It's a 8-page resume. Now, do you think that 8-page resume person is getting selected into these companies? How many of you say yes? Right? So there is a myth, right? You always have to create 1-page resume. You always have to create 2-page resume, not more than that. And people say that, oh bhai, agar 2 page se zyada ban gaya, then there is a difficulty. People will not select. How many of you think that? To be honest, how many of you think that? Right? No, right? So mine was 8-page resume. Okay, mine was 8-page resume, and it got selected in all the companies which I told you. I have the offer letters also. If anyone is joining Prime 4.0, maybe we can talk on that. Right? Clear? Right? Yes. Okay, let me start with some basic things for everyone. Right? Okay, first I'll stop the screen share. Once I will take out my resume. Okay, then we will discuss the things. Okay. Okay, great. So let me screen share. Okay, and then I will go one by one. Okay, I'll screen share and I will go one by one what exactly you need. Okay. Okay, yes, it was told. See guys, I am telling based on my experience. Okay, it's up to you how you design your pages. Okay, so let me share my resume. Okay, how many page resume you are seeing? How many pages resume you are seeing? All of you 9-page, because I have edited now. Little bit of add-ons I have done, means I was editing the things, it came to 9, but it's 8-page. Okay, it's 8-page to be ideal, right? Are you able to see the number of pages here, guys? All of you. Okay, I will not put like this. I will put something like, to be honest, like this. Okay, are you able to see how many pages are there? Yes, no, comment down. Are you able to see? Guys, did you saw 8+ pages resume is there? Am I telling truth or am I telling lie? What do you think? Now people will tell that, Praveen, you are telling lie, right? How many of you say that I'm telling lie? Or you feel that, okay, let's go ahead with the resume. Let's see, right? Okay, you feel that, you feel I'm telling lie? Kalyan and everyone, what is your thought? Okay, no, guys, I don't want to tell anything lie. If you see one page of mine, right, and I will tell you what mistakes I have done. Okay, let me start sharing my screen. Okay, you all know that I have already shared my screen. So guys, what was there in my mind? Let me tell you, let me frame like this. What was there in my mind while I was applying to these companies, right? In my mind, I was only having that I have to project myself, right? Project myself as a person who is good at DevOps, who is good at extracurricular activities, okay, who has completed certifications, okay, who is good at achieving awards, okay, who is also good at taking part in CSR activities, right? What else I have kept? Who is good at doing automations, okay, and who is good at making project deliverables successful. Okay, this was my thought. Okay, all of you note down. On these pointers only your resume is getting shortlisted. Yes, are you agreeing, guys? On this note, all of you please note it down. These are the key factors, right? If you are good at DevOps, let me tell, now people are talking about SRE, I will put like DevOps and SRE. Okay, right? And at that point of time, I didn't consider number of pages. I only considered that I have to tell to the interviewer that these are my strengths. Are you understanding what are my strengths, guys? Yes or no? Yes or no? I have the strength that I am a DevOps and SRE engineer. I am able to participate in extracurricular activities. I have the certifications, I have the awards, I have the CSR activities, initiatives, I have the automations, I have the project deliverables. Are you clear with this? Yes or no? Have you noted down what makes you different from others? Yes. What makes you CSR, corporate social responsibility? Okay. Yes. Are you clear? Now let's go ahead and see. So all of you see, guys, my resume of 8-page, I would suggest everyone to make 2-page resume now according to the current trend. Okay, this was when I wanted to make sure like I have to keep everything in resume. At that point of time, this resume was. So let me start with this first page. Praveen Singampalli, mobile number, email, LinkedIn. At that point of time, I didn't had GitHub link, but as of now, please add the GitHub link also. Clear, everyone? Yes. So what I missed to add GitHub link. So add GitHub link. Okay. Add GitHub link. Okay. In resume. Okay. These are the initiatives which I will be telling to you all, which are very much important. Okay. So let me make this little bit small, 28. Okay. All of you are, how many of you are writing down notes, or you are just like, you feel that, okay, you are okay to understand? Okay. Okay. Ashish is telling, I am telling lie. So Ashish, if you feel that I am telling lie, you can drop off from the live session, right? If you feel that, okay, we are just here to tell something lie, then you can drop off, no worries, right? But it's the fact. I have all the offer letters with me, and where I'm working, this resume has only helped me to crack. Okay. And trust me, guys, Amazon manager has told me that your resume is very much unique. Okay. Yes, we are making points. Great. And Amazon manager who has 14 plus years of experience, you all know how Amazon does the interview, right? He has told me that your resume is unique. How unique, I will be telling you all, right? So now the first thing which I have done the mistake is add GitHub link to resume. Okay. Now let's go to the next pointers. Now, objective is everyone's same objective. So I will not be talking. This objective I have kept. Now, professional summary is very much important, where you make sure your resume is attracting the HR. Now, many of you don't tell in the first few lines how many years of experience you have. So guys, you see, in 2021 or 2022, I had 5 years of experience. So I kept as 5 years of experience. Okay. So you see, I have not changed my resume. Only thing is I have removed the details. Okay. So acquired 5.2 years of experience as DevOps engineer. Now you see, I am telling the HR that I am a DevOps engineer of 5.2 years of experience. Very important. You need to keep it in the field of DevOps. Now, if you are joining my batch 4.0, you will understand that DevOps is not just learning tools as market tells. DevOps is all about automation. DevOps is all about cloud migration. DevOps is all about Linux system administration, application security, and monitoring. How many of you feel that it's a mix of everything? How many of you say? Give me a thumbs up. You all agree that it's a mix of everything, right? Yes? Yes? How many of you say? Yes? People on LinkedIn, why Saurav is telling no sound? Are you able to hear me, guys? People on LinkedIn? Yes. People on YouTube, are you able to understand? Okay. 2-page resume, I'll be showing in Prime 4.0. The current resume, I'll be showing in Prime Batch 4.0. Okay. Able to hear? Great. Now let's see. This is the one error mistakes I did. Okay. So I will put like mistakes I did, which you should not repeat. Okay. Mistakes I did. Okay. Mistakes I did, which you should not repeat. Okay. Okay. Which you should not repeat. Okay. I will put like this. Okay. So add GitHub link to resume. Now let's go to the second point. Okay. Now complete. So guys, we are like your, what you call like potato, tomato, your vegetables, your cauliflower, and other items in the market. And people are coming and choosing you, right? And see, when we are going to a shop, we obviously want to select the best in the shop. Yes or no? So feel that you are the best candidate from others, and HR should select you. So what you have to tell, right? In the starting few lines, you have to tell the HR that, hey boss, I am the best person for your team. So I am telling that completed certifications such as Red Hat Linux System Administration, Red Hat Linux Automation, right? Ansible Automation, Kubernetes I have done, but yeah, at that time I have not done, so I have not added here. And you see, guys, I am bolding everything. I am writing in bold letters. Now, I will ask you one question. You tell me, among these two lines, what is the key factor you are noticing? Can you tell me? All of you, please. What is the key factor you are noticing in these two lines? Can you please tell me? Guys, what is the key factor? What is the key words you are seeing in these two lines? Can you tell me? Right? So always bold the letters which you feel that it can sell you, it can make you sell in the market. What do you think? Right? You are understanding? Yes. Here you see certifications, here you see DevOps engineer. So these two things I'm telling, I want to sell myself. Very simple funda. Okay, what is the funda for selling our resume? Right? Funda is I want to sell myself to orgs, my dream organization, to my dream organizations. Okay, let me put like this. Are you all understanding? I want to sell myself to my dream organization, and how I will achieve that? Through my resume. Are you understanding? I will put this in the highlight mode. Let me put like green, right? I want to sell myself to my dream organization. Yes. So how people will pick you, right? How people will pick you if you have resume in a proper way. So see, first two lines I'm telling that, hey boss, I'm good at certification. I am doing additional work apart from my tasks, right? So certification, I used to wake up early in the morning, like 6 a.m. 7 a.m. I used to attend the lectures of this RHCSA live sessions, right? So similarly in the Prime Batch 4.0, if you work hard, and guys, when I am paying something to an organization, I will attend all the sessions live because I am paying to that organization. I paid Red Hat and I acquired the certification. Similarly, you are paying your valuable money to me. So I am guaranteeing that if you are standing with me till the end of the sessions, like till October end, right? September and October end, you are going to be the valuable candidate coming out of this Prime 4.0. Okay. So you see, I have received multiple awards, guys. I told na, you have to sell yourself. So what is the next funda I'm telling? I told certifications, I'm telling awards. This were my key factors, guys. Are you understanding? This were my key factors. See, at that point of time, I wanted to make sure every HR should know, right? The funda, next funda is every HR should know me, right? Should know me. Right? So these are some things. So if you see, everything is matching, yes or no? If I am telling lie, guys, trust me, if someone tells lie, he or she cannot put these kind of sentences and match with here, right? To be honest, right? Somewhere they will flicker here and there, but these all things are truth. Now you see, I have received multiple awards. Now I am telling awards in the field of automation, learning and development, along with awards received for showing good leadership and innovative ideas in tech and non-tech events. So this I have done. So I have put, if you feel that this line is valid for you, you can put it. Okay. Now you see experience in AWS. I'm bolding the AWS and I'm telling these all things I'm good at. Now, hands-on experience in automating CICD pipeline using Jenkins tool, expertise in creating and maintaining. Now, at every point you see, no tool is overlapping, right? I made sure that the HR should understand I'm good at this. I'm good at CI/CD. I'm good at shell scripting. I'm good at Java, Android, and Node applications. So tell me, guys, I am asking everyone with first 5 sentences, what do you understand from here? Guys, all of you, from first 5 sentences, what is your take on this? Can anyone tell me? I am asking to everyone from first 5 sentences, what is the take? What is your take? Can you tell me? Right? Can you tell me what is your take from this maybe 5-6 point? Then I will tell what exactly is your thoughts on this. Right? What is your take on this? What do you think from the first 5 sentences? People on LinkedIn, please tell what is the take from these 5 lines. Money, okay, some people are telling means company will hire, right? Indirectly you are telling. What else you think? What else you think? Lot of certifications and good experience, right? What else? People on YouTube, DevOps engineers, very straightforward. Yes. What else? What else you are telling, right? What else you think? People on YouTube, what do you think? Separate skills and representation, right? Yes. Great. Awesome. Now you see, let me go little bit down, guys. Little bit down. I am telling I am good at Dockerizing, right? Now let me come here. Now I am telling Kubernetes, network for Docker, Docker installation. Now whatever came in my mind, I put directly, guys. I never cheated anyone from this resume. Whatever I thought, I have put directly. Now you see New Relic, Sentry, GitLab runner pipeline, Grafana, and you should be understanding, right? Whatever you see in Prime 4.0, all will be my resume topics only. Okay, this will not be the topics of any other place, right? If you see, right, created MySQL database and created tables. Now if you see in Prime 4.0, the same topics will be there, right? Because I believe that whatever is my real time experience, right? So if you see Prime 4.0, where price is this, and you have to apply the coupon code last 20. So already 5 enrollments are completed. Last 15 enrollments are here with this coupon code. And once this coupon code gets expired, you will be able to see that the new price, which is 6499. And let me show you some things here. If you come down in the syllabus, right? So you see in the syllabus, everything is kept. And in the monitoring week, if you see, right, where is the monitoring week? Monitoring, AWS API, Kubernetes architecture, Terraform, HandsOn, AWS, Ansible, Red Hat automation. If you see GitLab, integrating Docker runner, where is monitoring, shell scripting, Kubernetes architecture. Okay, here you will get your monitoring. 1 second, CICD, Kubernetes. Okay, let me see. Shell scripting, Kubernetes architecture, Terraform, VPC, direct traffic, AWS API gateway, Yum repository. Okay, monitoring, GitLab, CICD tricks. Okay, I think there is a miss here. Monitoring. Oh, okay. No, here, guys. Okay, wait. Database installation, Grafana setup with MySQL, Grafana query generator, Prometheus data, Prometheus setup on Kubernetes, cluster monitoring. Are you able to see? How many of you are understanding that whatever was there in my resume, I am keeping here, and whatever I am learning in the various places, I am keeping here. Yes? Are you understanding? Yes. Okay. So those who are interested can definitely opt, and you can see the entire syllabus here. And whatever I will teach, it will be on a project based, not tool based. So if you see Terraform, again, Terraform will be integrated with AWS, various tools, various things will be there, right? So like that, you should be able to understand. Yes. Yes. Correct. Right. So let me go back to my resume. Right now, technical skills. Now, page number 2, we are at page number 2. Now, I have added SRE also, because like 2 years back, there was very little bit of people talking about SRE, but now SRE is very much important, right? So in Prime Batch 4.0, you will see the SRE related things also. You will understand various other things also, right? So that's what the importance is. Now you see technical skills, page number 2. I have written everything, right? And if you see, I would have written everything, whatever is there in the market. So you see application security, right? DevSecOps, right? So, and you see monitoring, application monitoring, right? Monitoring tools, I know, right? Web server management, you should be able to understand, right? You should be able to understand your cloud, right? CICD, bug tracking tool, everything I have kept very simple, but beautifully I have explained. Now let's go to the page number 3, right? And let's see like what are the things here. Now till here, any questions, guys? Do you think that I should have added anything else apart from this? Any suggestions to me? Any suggestions to me, guys? Any suggestions you want to give to me? I am open to suggestions also, right? I am open to suggestion also, right? Any suggestions to me, so that you can able to understand like what exactly we are doing? Okay, let me tell you, right? Any suggestions you want to give, like Praveen, this is here, this is that. Yes. Any topics you want me to know, like you want me to add? Yes. Yes. Anything you want to understand here? No? Okay, great. Great. So let's go ahead, right? Let's see what are the next things we have kept for us. Okay, working as DevOps engineer too at that point of time. And guys, all of you write here like permanent employee, right? All of you please write permanent employee, right? Why I am talking like you have to write permanent employee? Because now you should know that like people are very much openly doing all the things, right? And if you say like you are a permanent employee or full-time employee, right, you should be writing like full-time employee, right? With this, the HR will get confidence that you are a good employee, means you are a permanent employee, right? Are you able to understand the difference? How many of you will do this, right? You have to write full-time employee or permanent employee so that your genuinity is more. You are genuine, right? You are genuine, right? How many of you will do? How many of you will do here? Yes or no? Right? XYZ permanent employee, right? How many of you will do? Okay. Yes. Docker Hub, see, Docker Hub is part of your JFrog and all. In our previous organization, we had JFrog, so I didn't mention that. Okay, Madhav, definitely we will work on that. And if you have anything, you can definitely mail to my mail ID and we can work together. Okay, clear? Now let's go and see some other things. So guys, professional experience, please put full-time employee. Okay, permanent employee or full-time employee. Anything is fine, right? And guys, people on YouTube, please like the video, right? Please like the video. And obviously, these are a lot of efforts which takes. And guys, don't worry. There are some things planned on YouTube also, which I'll be releasing soon. Okay, don't worry about that. Now you see project summary 1, project name, client, build and release engineer. I have put duration also. What are the environments I have worked? Key responsibilities. Now people don't put usually key responsibilities, but here if you see, the key responsibilities are very much important. Okay, why? It shows that you are a person who is making sure you have worked in different domains. Now you see role, guys. One interesting thing I would like to tell you: build and release engineer is my role here. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, let me make it big. I wanted to show you what else I have kept here. Build and release engineer 1. If you see down, little bit down, right? AWS engineer. Are you able to see? Project 2, I kept like AWS engineer. Okay. Are you able to understand how differently I made resume? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Now AWS engineer, if you see project 3, right? How I have kept monitoring engineer, but I am keeping DevOps everywhere. Okay, monitoring engineer, correct? Right? What I told initially, I told na DevOps is not just DevOps, right? Here it was in the project 4. I would have kept something else. Yeah. So have you seen like how I have made different projects at different point of time? Are you able to understand the difference? See, here I have kept build and release engineer. The next project was AWS engineer, right? And the next project is your monitoring engineer. Are you able to understand the difference? Yes or no, guys? People on YouTube, are you able to understand the difference? You have to make sure you are different from the people who are in surroundings to you. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Are you understanding? Yes. Okay, that's a good point. Okay, who is that? Mohammed Fias. Yes. Okay, role. Okay, on roll or off roll. Great. So Mohammed is telling somewhere I saw Mohammed. Who is this Mohammed? Where is Mohammed? Yeah. Okay, where is Mohammed? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, great. Thanks, Krishna. Thanks for that. Okay, great. Fayaz, I'm not able to see your comment. Sorry for that. Okay. Now you see, now how many of you say yes or no? Correct now? See, you should not put everything like DevOps. You should keep these things. Yes or no? Are you understanding what I'm telling? Yes. Yes. There is a difference. Are you understanding the difference? Yes. It's not about DevOps. It's about like how you are different from other people in the same market, right? You should be different from other people. Yes. How many of you say yes? Guys, are you with me? सब लोग हो मेरे साथ. समझ में आ रहा है कैसे रेज्यूमे को अलग बनाना है, कैसे रेज्यूमे को मेक श्योर करना है कि यू आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर पीपल. आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड? Yes. Yes. People on LinkedIn, why you are silent? People on LinkedIn, why are you silent? Yes, but yes. Okay, Sagar is telling yes. People on LinkedIn, please, yaar, you have to reply so that I can go to the next page, right? I should not blindly go ahead, right? I need your yes. Then I will be moving forward, showing you how I kept AWS project, how I kept monitoring project, how I kept security project, like that. Okay, great. Awesome. Awesome. Now 10 more yes. What about others? Babidul, Hussein, LinkedIn people are highly professional. Yes, definitely they are professional, right? What about others? Aishwarya, Sabina, great. We are replying, great, Sujata, right? Now let's see what are the other things kept for us, right? Now I will show you one project, okay? Now one project, you should be able to understand how differently I have put, okay? Now you see, guys, see, this is my project one, okay? Build and release engineer. August 2019 to till date, what are the environments I have supported? Now, very important thing, key member in DevSecOps team. I am telling I am a DevSecOps engineer with more than 100 plus application across multiple domains. It means that I am supporting 100 plus applications. Now, always measure your count in numbers. This is one more point, okay? Now, what is the always measure your work in numbers, right? Why in numbers? Let me tell you, people are more interested how much you save cost. People are interested in cost and like numbers, right? Why means, see, when you tell in numbers, people judge you and give you weight. Let's think like this: 100 rupees, right? Or 100 tools, means you are a best DevOps engineer, right? Like this, I'm just segregating, right? Let's think like you tell that you are best DevOps engineer. Which one weights more? You say that I know, right? I know 100 DevOps tools. Let's think like this. I'm giving you two scenario, and you tell I am the best DevOps engineer. So which one is weight more? Option one or option two? Please tell option one or option two, so that I can understand how my audience are, what type of my audience are. See, option one is I know 100 DevOps tools. I am the best DevOps engineer. Which one weights more? Which one you think like, okay, this guy is telling in terms of weight, right? 100 tools is best, right? Obviously one is best, right? Because he is telling in a quantity way, quantity, right? Obviously people will select, and later on, according to his performance in interview, he will be selected or he will be rejected. Only two things. If he is rejected also, he will be able to learn, right? Now done. Now you see, primary responsibility to onboard and setting up CICD pipeline for multiple front end and back end applications. Now when you say this statement, right, so I was working with Verizon, so I kept like this. If you are working with your organization, just slightly change the things, okay? Don't copy the same thing, which will be a blunder, because I was in telecommunications domain, so I've written this. But if you are in your domain, in your own domain, you will be able to understand. Clear? Now if you see, I have put that I am good at your front end, because CICD has to be in Node.js and Java both, right? So which you will be learning in Prime 4.0. Whatever you are seeing, the security, the operations, the onboarding, everything you will be learning in the Prime 4.0. Clear? Now you see, third point, connecting with application team to understand application and process used by them for build and deployment, which includes overall review. Now See, I only make sure that I'm writing every line uniquely. Are you able to understand? Every line is unique, guys. It's not like I'm just copy pasting the same line every time, right? And if you see, right, this all things played an important role in making sure to the HR that I am a genuine candidate. If I'm not a genuine candidate, I would have written copy pasted things. I would have written here and there things, but I am writing in a segregated manner, right? Are you able to understand? See, guys, for one project, I kept everything. Na, tab thoda dimag bacha type tha. At that point of time, I was in a notion like I have to tell everything to HR, right? But now you should understand that 2-page resume is good, right? You can go beyond a 2-page also. I'll be showing my current resume in Prime Batch 4.0. If you are interested, like Praveen has cracked many other companies, then you will be able to understand that yes, you can join my course, right? All the tools, all the techniques, all the things, everything will be taught to you, provided a star mark is you should be able to attend all the lectures live. Then only you will be able to understand. Clear, everyone? Yes, no? Yes? Clear? Great. Now let's go to some topics. See, guys, setting up of build agents in AWS Cloud Formation, right? Installing software supporting build agents, setting up Groovy scripts, setting up CICD, whatever you see, this all things are different projects in Prime Batch 4.0, right? Setting up build tools, package.json, you will see a node project, chatbot project, basically chatbot project in Prime 4.0, right? Coverage report, Sonarqube in Prime 4.0, Linux servers, backup, archival, everything we will see. Ansible playbooks we will do. Jira automations we will see. REST API automations, right? So that's how the things are, right? See, every sentence is different. Yes or no? Guys, yes or no? Do you want me to put any 3 sentences to you? All of you, do you want me to put 3 sentences in chat so that you understand what is the impact of these 3 sentences? Yes. Do you want me to paste in the chat those 3 sentences? Yes. How many of you say yes? I'll be putting that so that you understand what each line makes difference, how each line makes you different from others, right? Do you want me to put that in chat? Yes. Okay. See this difference of these three lines. Okay. See now, right? I don't know. Okay, if you are able to see, but yeah, I have posted like this. Madhav, I will take your question. Just wait for a few minutes because this is not Q&A session. Just wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we will be starting the Q&A. Okay, Madhav? Clear? Great. So I have pasted in chat, but yeah, if the chat doesn't work, you can take the screenshot also of this, right? That will be more impactful. Now you see automation of new branch creation, merge approval, approver setup, merge request creation, and version increment in build scripts at start of every job, right? So it's a automation, right? Probably I have done a mistake, like I didn't bolded the letters, but yeah, you can bold according to your interest. Clear? Setting up of build tools, everything, right? Now see automation of Jira. So guys, whatever you see here, everything is a topic in Prime Batch 4.0. And more than that, you will not see chatbots here. Chatbots were my next level of experience, so I've shared here. So you see Jira somewhere, automation, playing with dates, playing with JDates, Jira. Okay, REST API automation, Sonarqube, and Jira will also be there. Okay, Jira. If I show you in the shell scripting, it will be there. Okay, week 4 shell scripting, Jira REST API. See, Jira REST API with for loop, right? Automations, right? Whatever I have learned, I'll be helping you all, right? So guys, before going ahead, right, if anyone is still interested, right, you can enroll here, right? Last 12 seats are left, right? Before I go ahead, you should able to understand last 12 registrations are left with this price, and tomorrow 9 a.m. we are starting our first class tomorrow. So if anyone is interested, you can enroll, right? So let me know, right? Before I go ahead with the resume, I'll take few queries from you all. Any queries, any questions asked, please do ask me so that I will go ahead. Paste in, what is that? Sorry, not able to see. Now I have stopped the screen share, right? Not able to see. Okay, chat. You didn't got the chat. Okay, no worries. No worries. Okay. So any questions? Now I'll be taking some questions from you. 5 minutes of Q&A we will keep because Madhav was telling, right? Okay. Then I will be going ahead, right? Now, is there any need to learn something else before attending the live sessions? Not needed, Nikhil, because it's a beginner friendly, right? So you can definitely join. Okay. So let me take some other questions. And 12 people are there for tomorrow batch. 12 registrations are there, right? And next, you can be the one, right? Will you explain pod run in? Okay, definitely, Shantan. Okay, definitely, this is one of the project. If you see, I will set up in EKS. I will deploy the applications microservice architecture. 3 microservices we will install. We will transfer the data between the microservices. Like one Java application is sending to other Java application. Other Java application is sending to other Java application. And this project in the monitoring class, we will install Prometheus. We will install Grafana, and we will see the data. Okay. So I think I have answered your question. How to join tomorrow's class? Okay, Janani, definitely. So all of you, those who have enrolled, right? Okay, those who have enrolled, all of you open this link, guys. Let me tell you, for everyone, right? Those who have enrolled, I am pasting one link. Please open that link, all of you. All of you, please click on that link. Prime Batch 4.2 is the link. Please click on that link, right? Please click on that link. All of you, once you have clicked on that link, those who have enrolled, right, that's completely fine. Those who have not enrolled also completely fine. But yeah, I am telling for the people who have enrolled, right? Now, once you have gone into the link, right, let me share my screen. I will also tell. Once you have gone into the link, right, share screen, entire screen, share. Okay. So once you are into the screen, you will be able to see day-wise syllabus under your. So you clicked on that link, right? You clicked on this link, correct? So once you clicked on this link, you logged in, right? So let me log out here. So you logged into the link, you go to your course, live sessions, upcoming live, you will have this batch 4.0. Now, once you come here, right, you will not have this page, right? But obviously you will have something like sign up, right? You will have something like bridge class. So once you click on this bridge class for tomorrow, you will see a timer, right? How many of you are able to see a timer, right? Those who have enrolled, right? How many of you are able to see the timer? Can you tell me? Yes, Sujata, all of you. Now that timer is your actual timer of starting the class. Only 12 hours, guys. Tomorrow early morning 9 a.m. our first class is scheduled, right? Saturday. So September 2nd, Saturday, our first class is scheduled. So the same energy, the same content, the same Josh will be there, right? So you see bridge class, you will have all your Linux fundamentals, Git fundamentals, all the fundamentals in this particular session. So you see timer, and once the timer is completed, right, you will see the join now button. So you can join from there, right? Clear? Right? All of you good? Yes? Yes, no? Clear? Right? Okay, great. Any other questions? Okay. I can't see the timer. Janani, see that once you click on that session, go inside that. There will be one more drop down. Click on that. Okay, click on that. You will see the timer. Only for enrolled people generally. Okay, if you have enrolled, you can see the timer. Okay, Mohammed, definitely we will talk. Okay. No, Mohammed, if you want to talk, I will take you in live. Just another 5 minutes, we will be talking. Okay. Automation engineer, AWS engineer, build and release engineer, AWS engineer. Yes, sir. Understanding, great. You will give an explanation to AWS Lambda also, because I am a Java developer. And okay, AWS Lambda is not covered. Lambda is not there in our class. Okay. Sir, how to convince HR to give you a high package? As I have heard, HR tries to negotiate us in an interview and provide low package. Okay. There is only one thing. You have to crack the better offer than the current one. And then you have to negotiate among the companies which you like. And that's what I did when I cracked the companies, like Amazon, whatever I have told, right? So I did the negotiation with these companies. Okay. So that's very simple, right? If you have talent, you will get it. Okay, tick, tick. Okay, great. Tick, 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 tick. 11:59, right? So that's the timer you will see, right? Monitor. I have enrolled already. I cannot see the timer. Okay, Nikhil, you have to click on that session 1. After you click on that session 1, you will see the timer. You have to log in into the website, right? Once you have logged into a website, there will be a session 1, right? You click on the course, then session 1, then you will see the timer. Okay, Madhav also can come live. Yes. Have you involved Kubernetes? Yes, guys, Kubernetes is there. Okay, Janani, still you are facing issue? Let me know. Janani, are you still facing issue? Physiotherapy graduate, can I eligible for DevOps? Swati, see, physiotherapy is an entirely different domain, right? So it's up to you. If you can cope up, you can definitely join, right? Okay, Hemant is asking, how can we make the CV changes? How to make the changes in CV after the course if your past experience are not related to the DevOps? Yes, definitely. Then one thing we can do, what we can do is simply you take the documents from me. I will help you with what points to write, and based on that, you will be able to understand. Yes, clear. Okay, just 1 second. I have someone at my door. I will just open and come. Okay, just 1 second. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for that. Okay, guys, Janani, there should not be a problem. I am sure that you should not have any problem. See, I will tell again, guys, those who are with me, I will share one more time screen. See, it will be little bit different. Okay, for you, it will be little bit different. For me, it will be little bit different. So you see course, you go into your course, you click on batch 4. Once you click on batch 4, you will have your session details like this only, but not this page. You will have on the right hand side, right? On the right hand side, you will have something like this. You click on the session 1, you have to click like this. Once you click this one, then on the left hand side, you will get the timer. Okay, I hope I am making it sense. Okay, great. Okay, those who have not received the Telegram group, you will have in your confirmation email, right? So guys, all of you, please join the Telegram group. All of you, those who are actually with the what you call like have enrolled, you will get the link in the confirmation email. Okay, yes, group is there. Thanks. Yeah, I am also facing, I cannot see the timer. It's okay, I will wait and join tomorrow's session. No, timer will be there, guys. Timer will be there. So anyone, can you tell me who is able to see the timer? Please tell me. Anyone able to see the timer? Can you say yes, please? Yes. Anyone able to see the timer, guys? No timer? Yes. Okay, great. Timer is there. Yes, timer will be there. It's only thing. Okay, he is telling able to see timer. Great. Kalyan is telling, Siddharth is telling, right? Okay, those who have enrolled only, they will see the timer. Janani, if you have enrolled, you will be able to see. Okay, great. Yes, so many people are there. Okay, once your session is completed, you will be having recordings, you will be having class notes, you will be having your PDFs, documents, and project related things, right? Yes, able to see, right? Okay, now let's go to your resume once more. So page number 4, you see only project 1 came till page number 4, right? To be honest, right? So similarly, you have your page number 5, right? So this is your page number 5, if you are able to see. So in page number 5, I have told like AWS engineer. So you see, guys, whatever you are seeing here, that will be your prime batch 4.0. All the things, whatever you see, your Route 53, your database, your Grafana, your Docker files, your images, everything. Now, if you slightly go, right, monitoring project, very much important. See, project 3, we are at 6th page, right? So January 2022 till date, I was working, and whatever you see, SLA, SLI, SLOs, your SRE, SOE, right? And your New Relic, dashboards, alerts, metrics, all your SRE related things will be here. Shell script to write, delete the old logs, right? KTs, APM, application monitoring, infra agents, continuous monitoring of servers, MySQL database, integration of Grafana, Jira IDs, CPU memory, whatever you say, everything is in Prime 4.0, guys. Project 4 is purely a DevOps engineer. It was with the first organization. If you see, worked as a DevOps engineer developing an infrastructure for Toyota Motor Sales, which involved in the automation of entire project, which is based on data sharing, right? So everything I have kept. So if you come down, there is one thing, guys: educational qualification. Very, very much important. Very, very much important. Educational qualification. If you have MBA, you can keep it. Which branch you can keep it. From where you have done, you can keep it. If you have Bachelor of Engineering, you can keep it. Where, from where. Intermediate, if you have done, from where to where. 10th, if you have completed, where to where. Now, next thing, if you see, trainings and certifications, very much important. If you have completed, be genuine, guys. You have to keep the name and certification ID also. Please make sure you keep it, right? And again, certification ID, and this is safe agile, so I have not kept. Now, if you see honors and award, so guys, please take the screenshot of this page. Please take. Those who are not enrolling for Prime 4.0, it's okay, but please take the screenshot. Please make like this only. Award name, date issued by, and comment. So beautiful. Let me tell you, award name. Let's take, you receive a outstanding award. Date issued, today's date. Issued by, whether it is a manager, engineering manager, director, senior director, vice president, or just your co-employee, right? Comments why you have received the award. Now, if someone sees, will you think like they will reject your resume? Yes. Oh my God, unable to see my screen. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. So let me reiterate the things. So guys, educational qualification. Now, able to see my screen, right? All of you people on LinkedIn, able to see my screen? Yes? Yes, no? Able to see? Bhai log, behan log. Okay, great. Awesome. Right? Now you see, educational qualification, keep everything, whatever you have qualified from any institution. Keep like this: MBA in IT, from which organization. I at that time I was attending, so I kept like now attending, and date acquired on June 2022. Bachelor of Engineering, from which university. If you have completed 12th, if you have completed 10th, you have to write down. Now, very much important, trainings and certification. Please put like this. All of you take the screenshot of this. That's what I told, right? See, Red Hat, from which organization, on which day, right? Date you don't keep, month and year you keep it, with ID. With ID, please put it, so that people feel you are genuine. Now, honors and awards, award name, date issued by, comments, right? Please put all these things. Clear, everyone? Any questions, any queries? Any questions, any queries, guys? Clear, everyone? Now, honors and awards, very important. Award name, date issued by, comments. Now, award name, write the award name. Date issued, write when it has been issued to you. Issued by, put who has issued to you, whether it is a director, engineering manager, your colleague, vice president, anything, and why you have received. Now, let me know, if you are keeping this particular dabba or box, do you think the person is genuine? How many of you say, right, you feel that that person is genuine? Suppose you are a HR, will you think that that person is genuine? Yes? Will you think that that person is genuine or not? Yes or no? Guys, हो आप लोग? People on LinkedIn, कितने लोग हो भाई आप लोग? देखने दो मुझे. Okay, 30 people are there. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Okay. Yes, able to see. Okay. Now, great. So, right, good vibes. Now, personal skills, guys. जो भी मेरे को मिला ना, I have put everything, guys. It's not needed you add personal skills, but if you feel that you have strong skills, you add it. Now, hobbies and see, guys, that's why it got into 9 pages. So please, if you feel that it's not relevant, please don't add it. These all things, as of now, because I acquired a little bit more experience, I don't think these all are needed, but it's up to you, right? Personal profile, and finally your end, right? Very simple and sweet resume, but yeah, a little bit lengthy. But yeah, this resume only helped me to crack the companies which I have written here, and that's true. If anyone has different kind of belief, different kind of your perception, I'm happy that you are understanding in a different way. Okay, so yes, that's all for today's class. Let me talk with people. So those who want to talk with me, I am sharing the StreamYard link. So this will be your StreamYard link. Please join that link. Okay, if anyone wants to talk with me, so Madhav, you said you want to talk with me, please join that StreamYard link. And guys, before leaving, let me tell you, 10 registrations are left with this coupon code, right? Let me refresh the screen, right? If you click on this, please apply. It will be 6499. Don't go with this price. You have to apply last 20 coupon code. Please apply this last 20 coupon code. Your price will be 4799 and you can proceed. Okay, please utilize this last 10 registrations, and you see it is ending in next 1 hour, obviously, right? And please, if you are interested, you see all the things, then only take, right? You see week-wise syllabus. If you are feeling confident with week-wise syllabus, then you come ahead, or else that's completely fine. It's up to you, right? Clear? Great. Now let's talk on some things here. Let me stop sharing. Okay, who wants to come? Okay, Krishna is there. Krishna, chalo. I've taken you. Madhav, you to come. Okay, Krishna, mute yourself. Okay, I think Krishna, you are listening from 2 devices. If you are on 2 devices, please mute one so that I can unmute you here. Okay, Krishna. Okay, Krishna is still having the device issue. Okay, great, Jagdish, thanks a lot, right? It's really good. So I hope you all have the links. Anyone wants to talk with me, please, you can. Okay, all the links will be in the YouTube description, as well as on your LinkedIn post also. Use code. Code is dev. Okay, sorry, last 2020, right? Okay, why? Okay, Madhav. Okay, Krishna, I have to remove you. You have some issues. Madhav. Okay, Madhav, you there? Madhav, hello.
Hello.
Great.
Hello.
Madhav, how are you?
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Yes, sir.
How are you, Madhav?
Uh, Sir, I am fine, sir.
Great. So, Madhav, go ahead with your question, and definitely, if I'm able to answer, I will answer that.
Sir, like some people say that we don't want to add our 10th and 12th grades in our resume. So, should we add that, or should we don't add our CGP also in college?
No, don't add a 10th and 12th CGPA. That's not required. Just add the 10th where you have done. That should be enough. So, I have not added, right, my CGPA and all.
Okay.
But
And can you? Yes.
engineering and masters, please add, because they will check that.
Yes. And can you tell me that uh, do BCA students get a higher package if possible?
See, the thing is, right, BCA and MCA, I have students. Packages, to be honest, I will talk
It
honestly. Okay,
depends
I'm
on
not.
skills, or
No,
can we get a 50 lakh package if possible?
no, see, I will tell that. See, what happens, right? For BCA and MCA, there is always a scope. If you are joining some organization, there will be limited package. But if
Yes.
you have skills, now you talked about skills, you can do freelancing, you can have support to the other projects also, right? With that, you can achieve what you told, the mention, you package, you have mentioned the package, right? So that you
Yes.
can achieve. But
50
if
LPA.
you, if you are working in an organization which is, let's take like BCA, you have got selected, then it will be difficult. Whatever the package standards are there in organization, that will be
As I am
brief.
also on LinkedIn, so yeah, that's why. Currently, I have 150 followers in that.
No, that's right. You have to work a little bit hard, and then
I
probably.
was planning to start my newsletter, but let's see what happens in the future.
No, definitely. Arey, start karo. See, the first step you
क्योंकि ना
take
वो
now.
उसमें स्टार्टिंग में क्या था कि आपको 150 फॉलोअर्स चाहिए, तो मैंने
हाँ,
जैसे जैसे 150 करे, उसके बाद
correct.
न्यूज़लेटर का ऑप्शन ही नहीं आ रहा, पता नहीं।
देखो, आई थिंक न्यूज़लेटर का कुछ इशू है। उसको एक बार ना लिंक्डइन को टैग करो किसी पोस्ट में, बोलो
मैं
कि
आपको
देखो।
अभी ना एक कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट भी डाल देता हूँ साथ
हाँ,
बाय
ठीक
साथ।
है, डाल। आई विल टेक इट, आई विल टेक इट, ठीक है। चलो,
सर
अब बाकी लोग भी है।
इफ यू डोंट माइंड मैं आपसे मैसेज में वो क्वेश्चन पूछें या अभी पूछ लूँ?
क्या, तुम डराओ मत मेरे को।
एलपीए से रिलेटेड है, एलपीए से रिलेटेड, आपकी फर्स्ट जॉब से रिलेटेड।
अच्छा 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 अच्छा, ठीक है, पूछो पूछो पूछो, फर्स्ट जॉब से पूछो क्या है।
तो सर आपको स्टार्टिंग में कितना पैकेज मिला था?
हाँ, तो मेरा पैकेज था अराउंड 2.5। तो मैं कॉलेज ग्रेड था, टायर 3 से था। तो
नहीं,
मेरी
आफ्टर
पैकेज,
पासिंग आउट कॉलेज।
हाँ, आफ्टर पासिंग आउट कॉलेज है, आई एम टेलिंग। ठीक
ओह,
है।
सो दैट्स मतलब आपको आप सैटिस्फाइड थे उससे?
देखो यार, जो भगवान देता है वो लेना पड़ता है, ठीक है। दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई डिडंट हैव स्किल्स, आई डिडंट हैव नॉलेज, आई डिडंट हैव एनी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज, बट जैसे जैसे मैं मेहनत करता गया, आई गॉट इट व्हाट आई नीडेड। तो आई डोंट हैव एनी रिग्रेट ऑन दैट।
तो यू आर
ठीक है।
बीटेक स्टूडेंट?
हाँ, बीटेक, रेज्यूमे दिखाया था, राइट। ठीक है, अभी
तो
बाकी लोग भी है, मैं बात करता हूँ। अगर कुछ और क्वेश्चन रहा तो मेरे को डीएम करो, ठीक है। चलो,
हाँ, मैं
बढ़िया
आपको कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट डाल रहा हूँ अभी।
बढ़िया बढ़िया, चलो बढ़िया,
थैंक
थैंक
यू।
यू, थैंक्स। Really nice talking. Krishna is there. Let me add Krishna. Hey,
I,
hi Krishna.
sorry, I do have a 13 plus years of experience actually
Yes.
on Linux as well as of now, from past 4 years, I'm working on cloud too.
Yeah.
So the outside talk is if you have a more than 8 years, so you are not eligible for a DevOps or whatever it may be the jobs. So that's what happening to me in my real life also. So none of
Okay.
the person I want to say my by seeing my resume itself, I think I do have a mistakes in my resume. I think so. But the thing is, I'm getting calls, but not scheduling calls. I don't know what exactly happened for me
Okay.
with my
So
resume too.
I will ask two questions, right? Are they asking about package? No, right?
Yes, yes, yes. No, no. As of now, the package which the at least 5 years experience person will get something, right? Lesser than
Okay.
that one for me. And
Oh,
they are saying
then
and next point is whenever they are asking me to expected package, if I'm saying something, they are saying why should you have to get that much?
okay.
Yes.
See, so Krishna, two things here. Okay.
Okay.
Let me be honest with you. See,
Sure,
first
definitely.
is, let's not talk with experience. Experience, we'll
Sure,
keep it aside. We
sure.
will only talk about skills. Okay. Now, people are checking how much a person is having competent if they are taking inside a project, right? First thing. I would like to see your resume first, right? Not now, not this is a
Yeah, sure,
public
sure.
platform, not now,
Okay, got
right?
it, got it.
Because you are experienced than me, I am respecting that, right? So there is a LinkedIn top mid request, right? You go to my profile, and the profile experience section, you will see top mid. You can book a session with me, and I will see your resume first. Then we will understand like whether your resume is issue or the HRs are not moving ahead with anything else, right? And let me be honest with you, people with 5 years and 7 years are doing very very good, like their packages are really good. And
Yes.
to be honest, the companies like Walmart, if I show you the job portal, still you see in my LinkedIn job portal, I'm getting so many this notifications. And with my experience, there are many jobs like Microsoft, Google, or your Walmart also posted. Now for your experience,
Mhm.
if you see today, only Walmart posted staff software engineer, right? And if
Mhm.
you clear that, right, see, no company is telling that they don't want DevOps or SRE. If I show you
Mhm.
my LinkedIn, right, I cannot open here, but yeah, if I show you my LinkedIn, I get notification every
Mhm.
time. If you see like Walmart also, today also I received. So I was going through the JD, and I found that okay, they are again hiring for SRE, right, for 13 12 plus years of experience, right? So see, Krishna, only thing is what you keep in resume, that only will help you to go ahead. So I would request if you can take a call, that will be helpful.
Sure.
We both will sit, and I will tell you like okay, these are the things which are minus and these are the things which are plus, and we will work together. Okay.
Okay, sure. Anyway, from tomorrow onwards, we need to be.
Okay, you are
We
in
need to be.
4.0. Okay, great,
Yeah,
great,
yeah.
great. Awesome. Awesome. Then no need to take top mid. I think we can
Mm.
discuss in class itself. Okay, no worries.
Sure, sure. Thank you very
Okay,
much.
thanks a lot, Krishna. Really nice talking to you. Bye. Yeah. Okay, that was Krishna. Arjun, Mohammed is also there. So Mohammed, Arjun, I have added both of you. You can talk with me.
Yeah, hi, sir.
Hi,
Hi,
Arjun.
hi, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hi.
yeah, actually, I have 1 year experience in DevOps, FPGA domain.
Okay,
So I was aware of only the Linux basics and the Python, little bit on the scripting as well. So, like, I was suspecting, like, there are so many open source tools, like we have Kubernetes, Ansible, like everything, right? Docker and all. So why don't we go with this free courses available on Udemy and everything?
correct.
What are the exceptions that you are providing here in your
Correct.
course?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Good question, Arjun. Now let me tell you, I personally have taken Udemy course. If I show you my Udemy dashboard, there will be AWS Solutions Architect course from Stephen Merrick. I'm not telling like Udemy is bad or something, but at that point of time, I felt that I can watch all the recordings. Okay, so at that point of time, my notion was that, and I was doing the job search also. So I had taken that course, and with 10 days, I prepared notes. I watched 10 videos, and after that I left. Okay, I personally believe when you talk in live, when you teach in live, or when you interact in live, that impact will be more rather than you take out time, you have your pen notebook, you write on your own. So let me be honest with you, everyone, those who have the capability of watching something and writing your own notes, right, without any guidance, then obviously you go for the platforms where recorded option is available. But if you feel that you need guidance where my experience is getting added, so those people, so okay, let me tell you, if you ask Udemy, right, I'm not pointing anyone here, uh, if they have cracked Amazon, if they have cracked Walmart, if they have cracked SAP Informatica, or whatever the companies you will be listening in Prime 4.0, right, you go there, I don't have any issue. But if you feel that okay, someone is teaching who has already cracked these kind of companies, who has the potential to deliver projects at the same time content, then you join, or else that's completely fine, Arjun. Or fine.
Yeah, 1 second. What kind of products you're working in the DevOps? Like we have DevOps in different domains, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like I was working in FPGA domain, and some people work in web development kind of. Some are working in networking kind of.
Correct.
Like what are the kind of domains you have worked on previously?
Okay, I have worked on automobile, Toyota Motor Sales. I have worked on telecommunications, Verizon. I am currently working with supply chain, and going forward, I'll be updating you where I will be working. Right. So these three domains. Automobile, I was primarily working with Toyota. The second project was your what you call British Telecom, again telecommunications. So from Infosys, I have worked with few of the accounts. And as you go into product base, right, your accounts get mapped to one project only. So yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Thanks, Arjun. It was really nice talking to you. Hoping to see
Yeah.
you in 4.0. Apply code last 20, right? And you get the discount, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
Sure. Thanks. Yeah.
Hi,
Thank
sir.
you.
Hello.
So, Mohammed, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, hi, sir. I have 1 year of experience in software DevOps engineering, but
Okay.
right now I'm looking for a new job, but I don't know why I'm not getting any calls, and I want you to review my once resume. I have sent you the text in the LinkedIn, but you haven't accepted it.
Okay. So, Mohammed, are you in 4.0, or like, why I'm asking, right?
Uh,
See, reviewing resume is a little bit difficult. If you are a previous batch student or anyone, then I can help you, right? See, I am getting like
okay.
1,000 messages per day when I post something, right? People are coming
Uh,
in, they need help, right? So I check the messages based on the priorities of, suppose a person is coming and stating like they need a referral in my company, because I
uh,
have achieved that many jobs, Amazon, Walmart, and all those companies, because someone has given me referral, right? So I have that gratitude of showing that okay, I should also refer to some people who are genuinely coming to me. So I make sure I am taking time for that. Resume reviews and all I take on top mid, or if my student is there, I give them the preference, right, Mohammed?
okay,
But
okay.
yeah, you have
Got it.
seen my resume na? I have all the points I've discussed, right? Just make your resume on that point. I think that should
Where can I get? Where can I get your resume?
it's available on
Is there?
YouTube. It's available on YouTube, and it will be available on the community pages. right? So I would request you to join Telegram group. If you don't know the Telegram group, you go to my YouTube
Yeah,
link.
I'm in Telegram group.
You are in, right? I will be sharing
Yes,
that
yes.
link. Sharing, no
Sure,
worries.
sure, 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 sure.
Okay, great. Thanks, Mohammed. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, great. So yes, let us know what makes you to jump into DevOps or honest answer. Okay, great. This is good question. He is telling Siddharth is telling Praveen, let us know what makes you jump into DevOps or honest answer will be appreciated and will help us to move faster. And are we covering CloudFormation and RBCD? Okay. First question first. What makes me jump into DevOps? Now, I am a techie person, right? Who always finds something like you never stop kind of person, right? You have some tools coming in market and your management is telling you have to go and check the tool, explore that tool. I like that exploration part, right? Suppose Prometheus is coming, no one knows. I will be doing some POC. My manager will tell, okay, go ahead and do the POC, and I'll be doing that, right? That is my honest answer. I'm a person who explores the things. So I like that. DevOps, SRE, both comes under same format, right? But depends on project. If you are lucky enough, you go into good project. If you're not, then you go into some kind of support project, right? So second question you asked, are we covering CloudFormation and Argo CD? CloudFormation is old concept. Now no one is using. Terraform we are covering. In place of Argo CD, we are covering Jenkins. So both goes hand in hand, right? Clear, Siddharth? Okay. Okay. Saurav is telling, please answer. Saurav, क्या question पूछा आपने? Okay. Jagdish, great. Okay. Saurav, done. Okay. Who else is there? Uday Kiran. I have added your stream and Manu. Yes. Go ahead. Hello.
Yeah, hi
Manu.
Praveen.
Who is this? Uday.
Yeah, Uday.
Okay.
Yeah,
Uday,
hi
go ahead.
Praveen. Like I have 3.5 years of experience in DevOps,
Okay.
but the problem is I have been attending the interviews. Like I have cleared the L1 round of Capgemini and I have cleared the L1 round of PwC, but I
Okay.
am not getting the call back from the HRs. So what happening is whenever I ask for what is the update, they're telling that the position is in hold. So what would be the prescription and what would be the thing?
Okay. So you. Okay. One question here. See, there can be multiple reasons, right?
Yeah.
I would say after first round they are not coming means I would ask you one question. What was your confidence of getting selected? Let me know.
Yeah, I was pretty good. Like I can say, or like in the scale of 10, I could say like 8, 8.5. The chances of getting
Okay, and
selected.
still they are not selecting means there is some issue
Yeah,
with them. Okay, don't worry
yeah,
why they are not calling, right? So everyone, right? I will be very much honest. In last 2 months, again, I am telling I have cracked many companies. Okay, so those things I will be sharing with everyone. So that is what the top secret I was telling. That is what the surprise I was telling about. Right. So I have cracked the companies which you are not expecting. Also, I have cracked. So those who think that market is down, market is not down. You all are getting good jobs, and whatever I have learned with my experience, I'll be sharing with you all. Right. So you all know that I have cracked already the companies in last year, right? This was the company list which I have cracked, right? And 20 more companies I have cracked, right? 20 plus companies I have cracked. But this time you will see a new company list which I have cracked, and those experience, those projects, those what you call like how I shared my resume, which helped me to crack this. I'll be sharing my resume, which helped me to crack the next set of top product-based companies, right? So please be with me, and don't worry. Who was that? Like Manoj, right? So don't worry. What I would say, right? Okay, Uday. So what I
okay,
would say now, 1 2 companies that works, that's completely fine, but going ahead, right, you should be able to understand like there are many companies, many companies who are hiring, and I told to
yeah,
Krishna also, I'm getting so many notifications, right, so
yeah,
definitely there is a scope, and I just started the things only for prime 4.0 batch because I wanted to give more than 3.0, so that more, when you want to give, you have to work hard, right? So that's where I
yeah,
worked at, and I will be adding those things into the 4.0, right?
yeah,
That's why
yeah,
the name
yeah,
is changed, right?
yeah. Another thing is, I think most of the companies now are asking for a scripting language, one of the like Python, if not Java, if not Golang. Like which language would you be teaching?
Okay, I have shell scripting for basic people. I have Python for experienced and immediate people. So those who want to learn anything, they can learn. But those who don't know anything, they have to start with shell, then Python. Okay,
Yeah. Thank you.
great. Okay. Thanks Uday for joining. Okay, Manoj, you want to talk?
Yeah, hello Praveen. At first I have
Great.
seen you in YouTube with the GK interview. Don't find a
Okay.
that that video. Later, suddenly I got that you were giving a course of 4.1. I am very happy to see these things. So I'm from non-IT background. Currently, I'm doing a non-IT jobs, and I'm from MCA background. So what will be the scenario from non-IT to switching career from non-IT to IT? So how would be the career for without having any
Okay.
experience in IT?
Okay. See, MCA means what are you currently working?
I'm working as a lecturer.
Oh, okay. See, okay, Manoj. See, the thing is, right, there is a separate track which we need to follow. Okay. I cannot tell here, but
Yeah,
what
yeah,
I would
yeah.
tell with my course, right, your resume and you will become strong. But the second track which you want to apply or not to apply, that is up to you, right? Transition is easy because see, the thing is, whatever I learned, right, I will be teaching you means it means that you will be getting all the knowledge, but how to apply in the interview is purely depend on you, right? Because I cannot sit beside you and tell like, okay, we have to write like this or something like that, right? And for your next thing like lecturer to DevOps, little bit I would say difficulty is there, right? I will be very honest, I cannot tell like you can just shift directly, right? But if you work hard, like next 2 months, if you join my live sessions every day, like every day means every weekend, and you work on weekdays, then maybe we will change your resume, that's completely fine. And the next set of process you have to go, right? You have to go means I can give you job applications also, but the thing is you have to make sure like you get selected, and after that there is so much process also, right? So those things you have to go through. But yeah, I would say if you want to acquire knowledge, if you want to acquire good skills, good real-time projects, then definitely it will be helpful.
Yeah, as you said, we are going to do real-time environment, real-time projects, right? So that will be helpful for the course, right? Even for in
Yes,
the resume
definitely.
validation.
Definitely. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Manoj. It was really nice talking to you. Okay, that was Manoj. Any other questions? Okay, Madhav is asking, sir, one last question. I'm a college student, so it might be difficult to attend live classes in morning. Live classes also important. Is there any live classes happening at night, 9 p.m.? No, live classes are not there in 9 p.m. But if you say doubts clearing sessions are there, right, which we will discuss in class and we will apply them. Okay. Praveen Ramkrishna is telling, I'm trying to learn DevOps. As I can see, engineering manager roles, they are asking for DevOps skills. Will this help me to grow? Yes, Ramkrishna Mishra. I have students, sorry, not students, sorry. I have people from 3.0 who were managers with 14 years of experience, 15 years of experience. And you know what? They were till the last class, right? They in the last class, they gave a feedback that they really liked it, and because they are experienced, they know the value of the subject, right, which I deliver. So that will be really helping you, right? Definitely, I'm 100% sure about that, right? Okay, great. So any other questions, any other queries? And okay, the time is off now, it's 9:35. See, 1.5 hour, it's very huge time to talk. Let me just show you like what exactly you are going to get from tomorrow's class. Last 8 registrations are there. We are getting good feedback from you all, right? So that things are there with us, right? So definitely it's helping, right? So I feel. So let's go ahead and see, right, what is exactly there in 4.0. So guys, again, I will be repeating what you are getting. So let me, why this internet is not working. Okay, Control C, Control Shift N, incognito. What happened? Guys, is the website opening? Okay, page is not working. Why? Okay, let me go like this. Okay, guys, all of you see here. So this is the page, right, which you are seeing, right? And you see there are no prerequisites required. So if you see there is no prerequisites. Eligibility is freshers, experienced IT and non-IT. Last 9 registrations are left. If you want to be part from tomorrow morning, you can join 8+ weeks, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., 2 hours theory, 1 hour project, and you will get, so this is the price for everyone. But if you click on buy now today, okay, your price is going to be, you have to apply last 20, right? And your price is 4799, right? So if you want to become one of the person who are with me, the experience, the data points which I carry, you can join here. 4799 is the cost for today, which is the least which anyone can give in the market. And if you come down, next 1 hour probably, right? And 2+ years of access recordings are available. No prerequisites. If you want to see the demo session, this is here. Bash 3.0 demo session is here. Click to enroll. And if you come down, this is the syllabus. This is the week-wise, session-wise data, right? And Sunday, we are installing all the tools in our laptop, not on laptop, basically on EC2 instance. And if you come down, this is the syllabus, okay? So those who asked me the syllabus, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, and week 7, week 8, week 9, right? So all the things, if anyone wants to talk to my students, this is here. Tools covered and placements, data, everything is here. Okay, great. And you will get certification of completion with this logo and everything, right? So yes, and if you want to see any testimonials, so all you have to do is come here, search for my name. If you search for my name, you will get the Quora. Okay, let me do this. If you search with my name, right? Okay, all of you see, if you search with my name, you will get the website link. You will get all the details, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram. So if anyone wants to follow me on Instagram, I release the content on your, what you call, like your DevOps. And these are some reviews which people have given from batch 3. If you want to see all the things are here, right? So definitely it will help you, right? Great. So thank you all for joining. Yes, Instagram is here. So definitely you can join. Okay. So I hope you are liking the content, and definitely see you all in the next class. Tomorrow's class, obviously, right? So that was Praveen, and thank you. We will see in tomorrow's first class, right? And definitely we will see. Okay. Those who are interested, all the links are in the description of YouTube and on LinkedIn. You just have to search my name and all the things will be getting. Okay. Okay, great. Thank you all. Thank you for your time. Really nice talking to you all. This is the time to say goodbye to everyone. Let's meet in tomorrow class. Last 9 enrollments are left. If anyone is interested, please do enroll. The links are in the comment section, right? And in YouTube also, right? Clear? Anyone is there who is not finding link or facing difficulty to find link? Anyone is there? No? No, right? Great. Thank you. Thank you, Pragnya, for being till the end. That's great. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you. It was really nice talking to you. Right? Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye. Bye. Great. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. I'm ending the broadcast. Right? Take care. Bye. See you all tomorrow at 9 a.m. Right? Bye.